सभी को नमस्कार। आज हम चर्चा करेंगे हेमंत ऋतु के विषय में कि किस प्रकार का आहार विहार हमें इस ऋतु में होने वाले संभावित रोगों से बचा सकता है। पिछली वीडियो में हमने शरद ऋतु के विषय में बात की, आज हेमंत ऋतु के विषय में जानेंगे। हेमंत ऋतु commences from 15th November to 15th January, which we call Margshish, Posh, and commonly we used to say early winter season. As per Ayurveda, Hemant Ritu begins with Sharad Purnima and it continues for 2 months. धीरे धीरे इस ऋतु में कम होता हुआ तापमान हमें काफी रेजुविनेट फील कराता है एंड इट इज द मोस्ट प्लेजेंट टाइम. हेमंत ऋतु is Madhur Ras Pradhan and metabolic fire is strong in this season, so we can easily digest heavy food items and also can satisfy the metabolic fire. In this season, due to cold, Vata get absorbed in the body and deteriorate the dhatus and leads to several problems like cold, cough, dry skin problems like psoriasis, arthritis, viral fever, etc. Favorable diet and lifestyle which can help us to stay healthy in this season as recommended by Ayurveda, that is Madhur Lavan Ras Pradhan, means sweet, sour and salty food items are good to consume in this season to satisfy the metabolic fire and to pacify Vata. They are like wheat, besan, whole wheat bread, milk products, sugarcane, sugary products, amla, lemon, corn, hot milk, jaggery, ghee, mishri, spinach, leafy greens, clarified butter, Brussels sprouts, kiwi, guava, sugarcane, grapefruit, jamun, coconut, raisins, curd, cheese, kheer and herbs like mint, ginger, garlic, coriander, fennel and chamomile are good to consume as they are helpful to remove the toxins from the body. And on the other side, favorable lifestyle के विषय में हम बात करें which can help us to stay healthy in this season. In this, head massage is recommended, which is called Shiro Ambhyanga in Ayurveda. We should do massage with oil at least twice a week, which is recommended to avoid the hair problems like dry scalp, dandruff, hair fall, etc. And body massage is also good with oil like sesame oil infused with bala herb, help to prevent the skin problems. A regular massage with the cold pressed oil is excellent to nourish and tone the skin and flush the toxins from the body, tones and relax the muscles, prevent cellular aging and maintain the luster of skin. And the other therapy, Parisheka, therapeutic warm water bath, is also good with kapha and vata pacifying herbs and extreme and essential oils like fenugreek, moringa, cinnamon and clove is also recommended for beneficial effects in this season. And sunbathing is also very good. Stay in warm and cozy places, wear warm clothes, do exercise, yoga and pranayam, which is very helpful. And this was the favorable. And what is unfavorable? Unfavorable diet and lifestyle, we should avoid dry, cold and light food items in excess. We should avoid aerated drinks, junk food. We should avoid pungent, bitter and astringent food items, means katu, thick and kashai. Food items should be avoided. And unfavorable lifestyle की बात करें तो we should avoid luxury and leisure, means बहुत ज़्यादा आरामदायक जीवन शैली न अपनाएं, थोड़ा स्वयं को चुस्त रखें, एक्टिव रहें. Avoid day sleeping. Don't stay empty stomach for long hours. Avoid suppression of natural urges. So these are the simple helpful tips by following which we can stay healthy in this season. Thank you.